Today, we'll learn how to create a form in WPS Spreadsheet, which allows us to input, search, and modify the data. Note, if the table contains merged cells, the form function will be unavailable. 1. Data input. First, click the Data tab and click the Form button. In the pop-up window, the system will automatically take the title row as the field name. Click New and enter new data information in the Edit box. Press the Enter key when finished. 2. Data Lookup. Click the Criteria button to set the searching criteria. In this case, we want to filter out the data of people over 40 years old in the table. Enter greater than 40 at the age. Click the Enter key, and we will get what we want. Click Find Next to search information downwards in each row, and click Find Previous to search information upwards. 3. Data modification. When we locate errors in the table, we can modify them directly in Form. After the modification is completed, press the Enter key to complete the process. Note, any data deleted in Form cannot be withdrawn by Ctrl-Z.